Hi, my name is Mingana Nongolo. I go by Ming and I'm with Folio Real Estate. And today I'm with my awesome money guy. His name is Eddie Edison and he's with Florida Pro Mortgage. And we're just gonna briefly talk about what are the pre-qualifications for a loan mortgage and your credit score and all that good stuff as well. So, hi Eddie.
How are you, Ming?
Good, how are you?
I am doing well. Thank you for having me.
Awesome, always. So we just want to find out what are the qualifications to getting a loan mortgage, and also what are the credit scores that we need to have to be able to get even approved for a home.
Okay. As far as the different type of loans that are available, there are FHA mortgages and conventional mortgages. FHA, the minimum credit score is 580, and that would allow you to have a 3.5% down payment on a new home purchase. Conventional, the credit score needs to be 620 or higher, and that could also have you, usually it has you put 5% down, but there are some products that can have you put 3% down. In order to get qualified, we are going to pull your credit. We're going to need to see the most recent 1 month of paycheck stubs. We're going to need to see the most recent 2 months of bank statements, and that would be all of your accounts, all pages. And then we're going to need to see the last 2 years of your W-2s. If you're self-employed, then we're going to need to see the last 2 years of your filed tax returns. And that's going to be with all schedules of your tax returns, so we can figure out what your income is in order to qualify.
Very good. So if you are 1099 like some of us, you have to really make sure you're making a lot of money to kind of...
Claiming a lot of money.
That's true. So... big heads up. And then what about credit score? Like, where are we supposed to be at? What's a comfortable credit score that we can start saying, okay, I'm at this number, I can start looking at possibly buying a house?
Okay. Well, like I said, FHA, which is the most lenient, which will let you have a credit score of 580 or above.
Okay.
Now, with FHA, they also will allow you to have a credit score below 580. They'll go down to 560. However, it won't be the 3.5% down. They're going to want you to at least put 10% down. So I would say if your credit score is in the 620 range, I think you'd be ready to at least look at trying to get qualified for a new home mortgage.
Okay, perfect. So this is just brief information. We're not going to dive too deep because there's a lot to it, and there's also every situation and every client has different scenarios and different paths. But if you want to find out more, and if you want to have a one-on-one consultation with me and Eddie, please give us a call at 407-209-8380. What we do is we do money management and home buying workshops. It's $85 per person or $150 per couple or 2 people. And this goes for a good 3 to 6 months. It's an unlimited call and text and at least 3 in-person appointments. And we dive into home ownership, we dive into saving for a home, credit score, and just your overall finances. Are you actually financially ready for a home, or are you kind of needing more time to save up and work on your credit? You know, some of these things take 1 year to 2 years for you to actually be financially ready, and that's okay as long as you have a game plan and you're connected to the right people. So thank you, Eddie.
Thank you.
And we'll stay tuned. So again, call us, text us, email us, whatever you want. We are here for you, and